Well, a few weeks ago I asked you guys to send in your stuff, and boy did you ever. So I think I've got a little too much here for just one episode. So what I think I'm gonna do is break this up into maybe 2 or 3 weekly installments, because there's just no way I can do this and not bore you guys to death. So for those of you who sent me something, thank you so much. And I think I'm gonna have band shirts till the day I die, and I'll be more than proud to wear them. Thank you oh so much. Anyway, let's get right to it here. Let's take a few out of the boxes and see what we can do. It's pretty easy to pick out the shirts. Got a few boxes full of stuff as well. I'm kind of anxious to see what's in there. Hopefully nobody sent me glitter bombs or dildos, especially because this isn't my house. I'm at Alex Naslow's place for this shoot, because the studio in Hollywood is booked out for a national act for the next week. So I'm just gonna kind of be shooting in and around town, trying to keep you fine people entertained. Anyway, let's see what we got here. How am I ever gonna get through all this? This first one is from Threadless Artist Shops in Hialeah, Florida. Hope I pronounced that right. So thank you very much for that. It's very green. Delta Dagger, hey, that's kind of different. Interesting, I like it. Delta Dagger was a plane, I believe, at one point. That's kind of really neat. There's no identifying information or anything like that. No, thank you. Doesn't really tell me if this is a band or not. Thank you very much to Threadless Artist Shop. That's kind of a neat shirt. I like that. Next up, we got Crunch from Leander, Texas. Okay, this looks kind of cool. We get a great big thank you letter. Oh, geez. A shirt, a disc, all kinds of goodies here. It is pronounced Crunch. Okay, let's see what we get here. So the kid's 16, and this is Ashton Williams. Well, thank you very much, Ashton. Holy crap. Okay, now this kid's got his marketing down. Check this out. We got a little business card here, and a CD, and one of these beer coolers as well. Very cool. You're not allowed to drink till you're 21 though, Ashton. So don't even think about it. Okay, that's a fucking cool shirt right there. Check that out. That's seriously cool. I like it. I like it a lot. I think that's a killer shirt, guys. Well done, well thought out. That's great stuff. And the thank you letter is, oh geez, look at this. He even gave me some artwork. That is freaking simply awesome. Well done, guys. Good packaging, good promo material. Ashton, I'm gonna read your thank you note a little bit later, just so we can move the show on a little bit. But thank you very much, man. I really do appreciate that. And that's so cool to see young people picking up guitars and playing their asses off. Good for you, dude. Next up, this is from Santa Claus. It says from Teespring. Interesting. Who could be sending me a shirt from Teespring? This looks pretty cool. Let's see what we got. Ben CHECHNYA'S White Maiden. Okay, doesn't really say who it's from or anything like that. It just says from Teespring. Okay, thank you very much. That was actually cool, and I will definitely be sure to wear that on the show at some point. Thank you. Christopher Campbell from Wichita, Kansas. Very cool. Thank you, Christopher. Oh, gee. Sent me guitar strings. What the hell? SOUPSOUNDS. That's cool. Oh, that is sick. I like that. That's pretty fucking cool, actually. Nicely done. Good thing I brought a second suitcase down to LA, because this is just bananas. I got a whole new fucking wardrobe here. And the same in gray. That's fabulous. Super comfy shirt too. Oh, guitar picks even. Holy shit, look at this. Sent some of these Dunlop Freakazoid picks. I'm not sure what the deal is with these. That's pretty cool. We got business card, snare attachment cable. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. So if your snares go wonky on it, you're all set. And then skinny top, heavy bottom, 10 to 52s, my gauge. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for the strings, dude. That's a good way to promo your studio, to be honest with you. Just hand those out. Anybody comes in the studio, checks it out. Here, remember me, take one of these home, remember me, that kind of shit. That's pretty clever, actually. All right, next up we got, this is from Amazon. I don't remember ordering anything from Amazon. Oh, somebody did mention they were gonna send this to me. This is from Radio Free Toronto. This is cool. Wow, that's pretty cool. The only gripe I've got is they didn't send, and now you guys who are doing your merch at home, check this out. They didn't send a transparency, so we've got black t-shirt and then black ink up to the white. When you do these, you have to send in PNGs, and your black layer has to be transparent. Remember that when you're doing your merch, because that's definitely what you don't want to happen. So for the guys at Radio Free Toronto, you might want to do a bit of a rethink on that, especially if you're going to charge for those shirts, because that's a surefire way to piss off your customers. Little word to the wiser, I've made that mistake myself. See, Midnight Killers, this is just the white. And that's exactly what you want. Okay, next one up is from, I really can't see it. Hopefully we're gonna get some identifying information in the package here because I cannot pull that sticker off to save my life. This looks pretty interesting. No more shoots and I know what to do with the rest of my life, but yeah. This is Devil King Music, I think. I think that's a G, Devil KINE Music. Okay, that's kind of neat though. I like the logo. That's pretty slick. Thank you very much. Again, I'd love to know who that was from. You got to mark a clear name on your return label or some identifying information, that kind of stuff. But again, super cool. That's even cooler than the first one. I like that a lot. Well done, guys. Like the shirt. Great design. Let's open this big honking box that's been staring at me. It's in reverb tape. Of course it is. It's from Nick Miola from Middle Island, New York. Well, thank you, Nick. Whatever it is. Hoping it's something cool I get to demo on the show. Oh my God. It is like the mother of all merch. Okay, bit of overkill on the packaging there, Nick, but thanks for taking the precautions. Oh, I got a hoodie. Ooh, Arcane. I can't fucking read that, but wow, this looks beautiful. Look at that. Holy shit, that's gorgeous. That's a pullover hoodie. I love these, especially, you know, in December, January here down here in Southern California, because it definitely gets chilly at night. That's super cool. Great design. And what do we got? Menacing Evolution. That's the name of the record. Arcane Sanctuary. Arcane Sanctuary. Okay, that's cool. Again, super cool design. I'll be definitely happy to wear that on the show. Thank you so much, Nick. That's super generous and super awesome. I think we got time to unbox at least one or two more here. This is from Nicholas Spivak. Thanks, Nicholas. Let's see what we get here. Oh, I'd sense a CD in here. Cool. Okay, wow, what's this? Gallows Hymn. Interesting. Look at that. That's some kind of sticker you can put on. And here's the disc. Here's the music. That's what it's all about. Very cool, nice packaging, nice artwork. And let's see what the shirt looks like. Let's see what we got here. That's pretty cool. Very green, very different, you know, than the standard black metal t-shirt. So there is that. Good on you guys for using your imagination. There are other colors than black. Of course, black's my favorite. Okay, last one for this episode. This is from Dark Passenger. Okay, interesting. Which if you read the Dexter books, you would know where that comes from. We are all lost. Well, thank you. That's kind of neat. Simple, to the point. Yeah, that's great. Just kind of catches the eye, brings it up to the top. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna cut that episode right there. Otherwise, you know, this is gonna be like 2 hours long and I'm just gonna bore the living shit out of you guys. But look for another episode of this next week. I'm gonna hand this off to my editor, Isaac, and he can probably condense this down into something a little more palatable, possibly a little more entertaining. But I'm gonna shoot the next episode exactly right after this one. So if you haven't seen your stuff on the show yet, there's a very good chance you're gonna see it next week. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, have a great time. No, I can't say that. That's Warren's line. Let's make some great music together. Hey, let's do that. Yeah, good idea.